when I look at where I'm coming from. I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile sometimes.
Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a video in a minute, and so I felt like, you know, I wanted to come on camera and just give you guys like a little update, see and hear what you guys want to see for this upcoming year on my channel, and also to give you guys a little update on life. So if you guys are interested, then definitely just keep on watching. So I know a lot of you guys gonna ask me about this unit, and I got some here from Lothian's Boutique, and of course I did do a review because, like, why not? So I will leave a link down in the description box for your convenience if you guys want to go ahead and check out the video to hear my review on these bundles. Now let's get into the video. So time and time again, you know, I always come on here and I let you guys know, oh my god, I'm so busy and I don't have the time to like sit down and film, and even if I do record, I don't have the time to edit, and that's my struggle. But I want to try and get videos out for 2020. Like, YouTube have to be a part of the schedule now, and I had initially promised to do one video per week, which will be uploaded on a Thursday, and of course sometimes you get 2 videos from time to time, and that will continue. However, you guys, if you've been following me for some time, you would know that during the December to early January season, that's like one of my busiest time, you know, as a makeup artist, and also for my 9 to 5, because, you know, we go towards the year end, and at this time auditors coming in and stuff like that. So I've really truly been busy, and so that's why I haven't been posting any videos. So I know you guys miss me, and I miss you guys too. You guys know I really love making videos, and so I kind of beat myself up like, Tash, why are you not posting? And I'm really going to start posting back some videos. I am a little bit free up now, so I'll be working on videos, and I want to fit YouTube into my weekly schedule. So that's that. I want some suggestions from you guys as well. I think I did a video like this some time back, and I don't think I've done 3/4 of the videos that you guys requested, and that's so bad. But I want you guys to leave in the comment section what it is that you would want to see from me. I know you guys enjoy the vlogs. I know you may not enjoy the makeup videos as much as the vlogs, but as I promised, the daily vlogging is just not a thing for me, and so I'll always be vlogging once there is something fun and interesting to do. So I'll never stop vlogging. But leave some comments. Maybe you want to see some other makeup videos, like game makeup videos. I don't know. Just leave your suggestion down in the description box. And in the description box, just leave a suggestion down in the comment section, and I'll definitely check them out and try to work on them. Also, as you guys know, if you're following me on Instagram, you know that my baby starts school, and it's rough. It's rough. Like, I have to get well. I try to pack the night before, so that would help me to, you know, get ready and get to work on time, as well as dropping her off at school. And babe is of great help, because, you know, while I'm getting ready, he can get her ready. Yeah, and so listen, shout out to all the single parents out there. I won't say single mom, because you have single dads that's taking care of their kids as well. And I just want to say hats off to you, because babe hasn't been here for 2 weeks, and let me tell you, it's a lot, both physically and mentally. Like, I'm drained, like, I'm tired. I've been wanting to do this video for about 2 weeks now, and I'm just getting around to doing it. And I literally got up like 4 a.m. this morning to do my makeup, fix my hair, to get on camera. It's now 6:55. I'm gonna have to get her up soon, give her a shower, get her ready, give her tea and all of that for school. And I try to pack the night before, so, you know, I have less stuff to do in the morning. But since baby's not here, it's a lot. So shout out to the superheroes out there who are single parent. Like, I know this is not easy, and I'm so grateful that I have help, because listen, I mean, I could manage, but it would just be a lot. So yeah, you know, the baby starts school, so I'm excited about that, and that keeps me busy too. What else do I have to update you guys on? Oh, I'm actually getting married this year. Well, I want to get married this year. I won't share the date with you guys just yet, but I think I want to do a wedding series. I am going to be doing a wedding series, but you can let me know if it is that you'll be interested in seeing the wedding series, like how the planning will go. And I'm definitely gonna be getting a planner, because knowing me, I know I cannot manage. Like, it will just be too much for me, and with my schedule already, it's gonna be crazy. But I'm actually excited, you know, to get married to the love of my life, and I don't know, I don't see a future without him, so it's okay. Let me just not. But yeah, that's one of the major things that will be happening for this year. So listen, on already see my schedule, say it's gonna be crazy, but I will keep you guys posted on everything that's going on, and I really want to vlog my wedding, so I'll share with you. I am a vlogger, so I don't see why I wouldn't want to vlog my wedding day. I want to sit back and watch the video years and years, so I will be vlogging, so don't worry about it. You'll get to see the wedding, and of course, if you follow my friends, I will be allowing them to snap and whatever, so they can do whatever. So you can follow through on social media until I post the vlog. But yeah, the wedding will be the biggest thing that's gonna be happening this year, so I'm excited to see how the planning goes, and I'm waiting for when babe gets back. We'll be sitting down the planner, you know, because we definitely have to start the process, because it's a lot. Listen, I'm already struggling with my guest list. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in the wedding series, but yeah, that's pretty much that. And I want to touch on growing as a person, as a boss babe. So you guys know I have a 9-to-5 as well as I do makeup part-time. A lot of persons don't know that, and I fail to believe that they don't know. Like, how can you not know? But you know, to be growing as a makeup artist, like, you guys know how much I love, like, I really enjoy doing makeup, and so, you know, to see how how I've grown over the years, it's just beyond me. And so I'm happy to see what 2020 brings. I actually started getting a few weddings, and I'm like, this is crazy. Like, Tash, you've been doing it, and I'm just so proud of myself. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to come on camera and talk about. And I will be doing a story time, as I promised, on how babe proposed. He's supposed to be he's supposed to be explaining to you guys the background of how he proposed, and I really wanted to know how he came up with the plan and all. So that story time will definitely be coming after this video, and the hair review, I think it will be sometime after that, but I'll definitely be sharing with you guys. And I know a lot of you guys are excited, you know, to see 2020 journey for me, and I'm excited as well. I'm putting it all in God's hand, because listen, he has brought me through a lot, and I know he's still working on me, but during that process I've grown, and I can say that I'm blessed beyond measures, and for that I'm forever grateful. Like, I always say, like, without God I really don't know where I'd be. Yeah, so it's a lot, and I'm just happy to see, you know, what 2020 brings, really. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your suggestions on what you'd want to see, and of course, oh my god, listen, I'm all over the place, which is why I know I need a planner, because oh my god, I can't wait to try on dresses. Oh, I can't believe I'm getting married, guys. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm happy. growing and glowing. I don't know if you guys would want an update on Kaylee. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you see the growth, so you can let me know if you want to update or not. But as promised, I did a hair journey with Kaylee's hair growth, so I will be sharing that video with you guys as well. So it'll come, I record it already and everything. I just need to edit it. And you know what I want to work on this year? I'm working on stop saying I'm tired. Yes, I know I'm tired, but I'm happy and blessed that, you know, I'm working, and I'm, aside from a 9 to 5, I'm doing something outside of work that I really enjoy doing, and I don't feel like I'm working. But listen, I know my body drained. I remember when I wasn't working as much as I am now, I used to have a lot of free times. I'm gonna ask God for bless me. As Spice would I say, I ask God to bless me with, you know, getting out there, and to see myself working now and actually being busy. I'm blessed, but you understand, when I'm tired, I have a lot on my plate, and so yeah, I'm just going to stop. So you know, when person see me, they would be like, hey, how are you today? And I'm like, I'm fine, but I'm tired. I'm going to cut off the but I'm tired part, because I'm blessed to be working. But yeah, I have gotten some rest as well, a little. But yeah, I'm just all over the place, right? So I will end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm know my chat enough, like my chat enough, but someone love for sitting and listen. So here is my little update on what's been happening. Yes, so I will talk to you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.